One thing that everyone could agree on is that it's incredibly significant that we have self-awareness, that we can look around the universe, we can appreciate the fact that there are hundreds of billions of galaxies, that we can investigate, find out these things, and ask these questions of why are we here? Is there purpose? Is there meaning? That in itself, the ability to ask those questions and to be aware of our existence is significant.
In the Christian and Jewish and Islamic tradition, if it weren't for the scriptures that talk about the peculiar place that the Lord has granted to the human species, then I think we would have to be very much more humble in listening to the biologists and the ethicists who say that we've usurped a place that doesn't really belong to us.
Although human beings are special, so is every other kind of species that there is or has ever been. So if we are special and distinctive, I guess it's because we can look around at the world and feel a sense of guilt on a good day at what a colossal, shocking mess we've made of some aspects of it. That, I think, distinguishes us from other creatures. They don't make that mess. We do.
It's true that traditionally, especially in every religious formulation that I know, humans are seen as somehow at the top of some tree or some pyramid or some metaphor like that. But I don't really see it that way. Sometimes you look around in a social situation, either you're with friends or you're at a conference or you're in a seminar or you're in a movie, and you just feel lucky to be in the room. You just feel like I'm surrounded by people whom I love, or I'm surrounded by people who are wise, or I'm surrounded by people who are funny, or people who are enchanting, and I'm just happy to be here. And that's what I think our place in the world is. You know, we should just be happy to be in the room.
I think our role on this planet is to, in the future, think very clearly about what we're doing. Look at our responsibility, because as this biped walking around, thinking, doing things, we have a responsibility for all that there is. We have to hand on our world in a better place, if you like, than we've left it. We've done a lot of damage. I think it's to try and better it. Not to overthrow the forces of nature, but to work with. And to be respectful that we are only one of many things.